Hello, my name is Nick Cox. I am submitting this project for to graduate with honors from the front-end bootcamp. I'll try to keep it under 5 minutes. This is a game. This project is a game. It's called BitGame Ultra. This game teaches the fundamentals of bit manipulation, which is a very interesting topic in low-level computer programming. As you can see, this is the screen. The current number is represented here as a series of bits, and the object of the game is to transform this green number here into the red number here in this number of steps using these 5 buttons. The plus button makes the number go up by 1, and the minus button does the opposite. It decrements. So we got increment and decrement. This button here is a left shift button, which shifts all the bits over like that. This button is a right shift button, and this button here is a complement button. All of these bit operations should be familiar to anyone that has some experience with the C programming language. You can use this switch here to view the numbers as decimal, hexadecimal, or ASCII characters. You can switch the difficulty level, which means, for instance, if you switch it to level 6, we're going to lose the game here. This pair of numbers here requires 6 steps. You'll notice also that if you click on this, there's a little cheat enabled so that you can get the answer without having to think about it. Obviously, I'm going to take that out in production. This is what it looks like when you win. There is a about modal that tells you a little bit, well, pretty much nothing. I still need to write the content, but that's where the help is going to go. And then I also have a media player with a curated selection of a lot of my favorite albums from around Bandcamp that you can listen to while you're playing the game. Now to look at the code. The whole game mechanic is basically contained in this function right here, doToken, which takes a token, meaning one of those 5 buttons I showed you earlier, and a original number, and performs a mathematical operation on that number, whether it's incrementing or decrementing with the modulus, doubling with the modulus just to chop off for a case of overflow, this shift, bit shift is halving, and then this one, complement, you just take the, what in this case is 255 minus that number. It's all right here, just these few lines of code. And then this, so the current number is stored as a number, it's manipulated as a number, and then it's turned into a array of booleans with this function here. This is the actual game. As you can see, and I guess my biggest challenge in this this app was implementing Redux. I had a lot of trouble understanding the whole Redux class API. As you can see, I've got this huge state, all of these methods here. It's really, really top heavy, and it could really benefit from Redux, but I just couldn't figure it out. So what I actually did to solve this problem is I made instead of trying to put Redux in, I just started over with a new app that is built using React. It's built using hooks, React Toolkit, Create Slice, all the stuff they have in the React Redux documentation. I just started with their template counter app and modified it until it was what I wanted. That was a much easier way of doing that. Um, I am already working on the second part of this, or the second iteration of this app, and I look forward to sharing that with you when I submit it as my project for the Full Stack Bootcamp. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.